and love feels lost in fear, God's hand can make all things new, restoring hearts, guiding you
to